So today we're here in Cadence, Henderson, and we're gonna be looking at this house that's a single family home under $500,000 with a 4-bedroom and a loft, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is April 5th, 2025, and today we are here at Cadence. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is about 25 to 30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport Strip. This is the most affordable master plan community here in Las Vegas with an HOA of only $75 a month. But guys, so many amenities here included. You have parks, you have trails, you have an Olympic-sized swimming pool. They always have events at their Olympic Park, which is really nice. Today, we are here at a DR Horton community. It just reopened like about 2 weeks ago. So we are here at Symmetry Bay. Now, this is Symmetry Bay Phase 2, okay? They were selling Symmetry Bay Phase 1 previously, but that ended, so this is the new phase. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now, they offer 3 different floor plans, okay? They offer the plan 1715, 1802, and the 1865. Now, the base prices are gonna range from about $451 all the way up to $471. Now, just so you know, with DR Horton, what you see is what you get. So everything is pretty much gonna be included in that price. Now, the only thing they don't include is gonna be the lot premium, as well as like the covered patio. Now, I will have a map on the screen for you guys of the community. So here in Cadence, they do have a rule. So any of those homes that are gonna be on the outside perimeter are gonna have covered patios, okay? Now, once they build a covered patio there, they do have to add that to the cost. So I believe here, it costs $9,300 to do that. So obviously those models are probably going to be priced higher because of the covered patio, okay? Again, with DR Horton, it's a spec builder. What you see is what you get. They already start production on these homes. Once you get into contract, these homes are about 30 to 45 days away from completion. The average lot square feet is going to be about 4,300. There's 133 homes here that they're going to be selling. Oh yeah, lot premiums are going to range from about 6 to 16,000 depending on the lots, because a lot of these lots here they're in different sizes and corner lots and stuff like that. But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the plan 1865. This is going to be the largest model in the Symmetry Bay community, okay? Now, this is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage. It will have a loft, and the base price as of today is $471. Now, they do have a quick move-in available that is $489,990 as of today, okay? So everything, this is again DR Horton. What you see is what you get. Paver driveways included. Desert landscaping is included. Now, when we look at this model house, the only thing that might be different from the actual, the home that you get in under contract for is they usually rotate the flooring colors, the cabinets, and the countertop. Okay, but by the time you get into contract with DR Horton house, it'll be completed within like 30 to 45 days. Also, video doorbell is included. Okay, so welcome in. So you do have 9-foot ceilings. So the phase 1 of the Symmetry Bay actually, I believe, had 8-foot ceilings. So looks like they brought back the 9-foot ceilings, which is great. You're gonna have a coat closet right in here. You'll have your smart candle box right in there as well. Okay, so this is where you connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so you're gonna have your cables in there. Now the spec homes that they do build, all the walls are going to be white as well. Okay, so there are going to be no curtains, but you will have blinds, as well as the refrigerator, washer, dryer. All the appliances will be included, which is nice because, you know, with a lot of builders, once you buy a house, you know, some of those things are not included, and you know, that's easily like about like $5,000 that you're saving that you don't have to spend after you move into your house. But yeah, you can expect vinyl plank all throughout the first floor. So, you know, that's included in the base price. They usually rotate between 3 different cabinet colors. It's like white, gray, and this nice brown. And then for the countertop, I believe like they have that color. That's like kind of like a newer color. They have a white, and I believe they have like a different gray. Okay, so it's your backyard. Okay, so again, this is going to be, when you move into your house, it'll be a dirt lot. The HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. So right over here to the left, you're going to have your pantry. You also have some storage space over here too, right? So definitely have some room. Love when the builders utilize underneath the stairs. Okay, and then these are the type of doors you'll get. So you'll get like the 2-panel doors, and then these are like the handles, the pulls. Okay, so this is gonna be your powder room. Okay, pedestal sink. Oh, here, I did show you the sink in here. So it's a dual basin sink, right? You have a Moen faucet. Okay, this thing does extend out, right? Down here, you also have like a garbage disposal as well. Okay. Here, see what else about the kitchen. So it does vent outside of the house. Okay. So there's a vent in the microwave right here. Okay, so you got your thermostat right over here. This will be included as well. So you can control like your security system through here. Stored in the garage, but it is locked. Now we'll head up to the second floor. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So about 9 steps to get to this landing step. I know that makes a huge difference to some buyers as well. Sometimes they want that landing step. Okay, so right when you walk in, you'll have this loft here. And then you'll have your primary bedroom. You're gonna have your laundry room. And then your 3 bedrooms down here, okay? Now, since they don't have the plan 1715 modeled, I feel like it's very similar to this plan, except for the loft is gonna be a little bit larger, right? So for the 1715 plan, I feel like the loft is gonna start right over here. So it's gonna feel so much more spacious. And then you're just gonna have 2 bedrooms here. So in this 1865, these 3 bedrooms are gonna be a 10 by 10. And then the 1715, since you only have 2 bedrooms, I feel like they're about like 11 by 12. Okay, so this is 1 bedroom. And this will be included, but just, you know, so you know, you could switch that out for a ceiling fan light. Here's the other bedroom. Okay, you got your standard closet. This is the other one. You're gonna have your full bath right here. Now this is going to be the full bath at the 3 bedroom share. Okay. So you got the shower tub combo, a nice quartz countertop. Okay, you'll have your toilet. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you know, you've been looking at some new construction videos and you're kind of curious about them and you know, you're thinking about visiting for the very first time, do me a huge favor guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit and you know, help guide you through the process. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because once you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email. And once they get that from you, they're gonna log you in their system as having no realtor. And it's gonna be really hard to get you some representation afterwards. Now, the big problem with not having representation is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests and we look after your best interests. So definitely huge difference, okay? So there's gonna be a king size bed, primary bedroom, so plenty of space. But yeah, with this community, I would say like DR Horton, you're definitely gonna get I feel like you're gonna get the most square footage per your dollar with DR Horton. So, you know, definitely that's usually why, you know, for some of their communities, they'll have like interest lists. I feel like they're usually priced in the more competitive end. And it's really nice though too, because, you know, the fact that they include all appliances, they have pretty good incentives as well. They have like interest rate buy downs. It just makes it so much easier for a first-time home buyer to save some money. Okay, so dual sinks. Cool. Yeah, guys, that is it for the Plan 1865. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. So thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.